up, YouTube? The GOAT, back again with another restoration. And by that intro clip, you see I got these Cherry 12s. I was literally at Trader's Village this Saturday. It's a Monday, and I got these for $5. Now, I was kind of hectic, thinking that these shoes were fake, why they sold them so cheap to me, but they're actually legit. So what we're gonna be doing is, it's pretty simple restoration, just to give you guys some content for this week. What I'm gonna be doing is removing the wrinkle out of this part and giving this shoe a deep clean and a full clean paint job. So without further ado, let's get into it. Guys for staying to the end. The only reason I'm showing you guys one side of the shoe is because the other shoe had some slight sole separation. So I'm just gonna take my time off camera and get that process out the way. But the restoration went well. And you know, just let me know what you think in the comments below. Talk to the kid. Follow me on social media below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Deuces.